Often, you'll be required to factorise an algebraic expression. In this video, we will explain what factorisation is and how to use it. Our first example is to factorise 2x plus 3x squared. What do they mean, factorise? To answer this question, we need to understand what factorisation means. Factorising an algebraic expression is the opposite process of expanding the brackets, and it works exactly the same as finding factors in numbers. When you expand the brackets, you multiply the terms in the brackets to get one expression. To demonstrate this, let's expand 4y outside of 2y plus x. We do this by multiplying both of the terms in the brackets by 4y, and we get 8y squared plus 4xy. So to go from 4y outside of 2y plus x to 8y squared plus 4xy is to expand, and to go the other way is to factorise. We can now say that 4y and 2y plus x are factors of the expression 8y squared plus 4xy. Let's go back to our original question. How can we factorise 2x plus 3x squared? The simplest method of factorisation is to find a common factor. In this case, we notice that x goes into both terms. That's what our plan is, to take x out as a factor. To take x as a factor, we need to first multiply and divide by x, which of course doesn't change the value of our equation, and then manipulate the expression a little to take the x out. Now we can separate this fraction into two fractions, 2x over x and 3x squared over x. Looking at each of these fractions, we can cross an x off top and bottom, so that our final answer is x outside of 2 plus 3x. And that can't be factorised anymore, so we're done. But is our answer correct? We can always easily check a factorisation by expanding out the brackets. If we get back to the original answer, then it's good, because factorisation is the opposite of expansion. Let's do another example of this. We are asked to factorise 4a cubed b squared plus 8ab to the 4 plus 2ab. In this case, first we notice that the biggest common factor is 2ab. So as before, we take a 2ab out of the front and divide everything inside by 2ab. We now break up that fraction into three fractions and cross off all the common terms top and bottom for the three different fractions. The final result is 2ab outside of 2a squared b plus 4b cubed plus 1. Can you do the reality check? Do you get the original expression if you expand this bracket?